Hi, Joseph Duenas here with Certified Safe Driver. Today's talking tips are going to be regarding following distances. Because at CSD, we believe in protecting what's important to you. And that means bringing your drivers home safely every day. So let's talk about this video. As you can see from the screen, you notice the distance between the big rig and the blue truck that's in front of him. It already appears that he doesn't have the right type of following distance. So let's go ahead and measure it. Now, how do we measure our following distances? You pick a stationary object, and when the rear of the vehicle in front of you passes that mark, you count until the front of your vehicle reaches that same mark. 1001, 1002, 1003, that will tell you what your following distance is to the car in front of you. So if you notice up on the far right, there is a white sign. We're going to use that to measure our following distances. So if we can roll the video. The truck is approaching that white sign. Let's go 1001, 1002. Okay, stop it right there. Almost 2 seconds. Now, DMV states that for a big rig of this size, following distance should be a minimum of 6 seconds of following distance. For a passenger vehicle, it should be a minimum of 3 seconds. So as you can see from here, we have less than a 2 second following distance. Already the vehicle to our right is signaling to come in and occupy that very minimal space. So what the big rig driver should be doing already is decelerating to increase his following distance to the vehicle that's in front of him. Let's see what happens. So we roll the video, the vehicle moves in, and it doesn't appear that this, okay, stop it right there. Already it doesn't appear that the truck driver is letting off of the gas to increase his following distance at all. Now you see the vehicle coming up to our right. Now guess what? They're going to want to occupy that half a second space that's now between us and the vehicle that moved in. But he wants that space because he doesn't want to be blocked in by that truck, that slow moving truck on our right. So as we roll the video again, you can see this guy indicate his signal right there. Now he moves in. Look at the vehicle, the truck. He actually speeds up, increases his speed, moves over to the left to not let that driver in. Now, I got to ask you, would you drive like that if your children or if your wives or your family members were in that car and they wanted to come over? So, mind your following distances, count your time to see what your following distances are on the road so that you'll never get yourself into a position like that. Joe Duenas again, CSD Certified Safe Driver, giving you your talking tips for the day.